So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do a quick headlight restoration with a clear coat restore. I'm just going to scuff it, soap it up, scuff it with 2000, and then I'm going to applicate the CCNR. You can use 1500, go lower, but you really don't want to remove all the clear coat. CCNR is going to help it clean it up, and when you're applicating it, you actually will notice that your applicator or your towel, whatever you're using, will turn brown. So anyways, all right, watch me and check it out. If you're not sanding all the time, I'd probably recommend taping off. We do this a lot, and we know how to fix if we do end up scuffing the side. We do know how to fix it, so we're not really crazy worried about it. Like I said, just sanding in its own is a completely highly skilled on its own. So if you do notice, like, yeah, I don't have it taped off, but I'm not really worried about that, at least on this vehicle. If you're doing, a brand new car, I would recommend taping it off, but that kind of defeats the purpose of doing it this way, because you're not gonna get that high perfection doing it this way. This is just another option. The best option, in my opinion, would be just completely repaint or re-clear coat them. Go all the way down to 800 and then bring it back. If you're not, a lot of other people will polish and then put a ceramic coating on top. We do that. That's clear coat. We spray them, a lot of the times. This is, like I said, just a quick option for your customers to, add another, 50, 60 bucks to your bill. These little quick add-ons are always good to bring more money into the shop. One thing you notice too, what I'm looking at is, because I do not want to bust through that clear coat. All I'm doing is scuffing it. If you bust through the clear coat, you're gonna see these little low spots, and then your next option from that, you're gonna want to or sand the whole thing down and then redo it, re-clear coat them. Like I said, I'm just scuffing it, making sure it's an even sand job. Most of the guys, when we're doing this, we literally will do, a few at a time and then coat them all together. All right, so I disappeared for a second. What I'm gonna do right now is use some wax and grease remover. We use this for headlights, meaning because it's cleans them really well. It's a lot stronger than a paint prep, whatever paint prep you're using, like an eraser product. It just cleans it really well. CCNR, what we're using is the Optimum brand. Your clear coat restore, there's a lot of companies that make this. I was at SEMA. Pretty much most really big manufacturers that are doing chemicals are coming out with their clear restore. So it's probably going to be a new thing that everyone's going to do. Like, pretty much we do whole cars with clear coat restore. So yeah, so Optimum is what we're using right now. Just had a little bit left over. Just watch how fast it goes. So yeah, so it still needs to dry. I You don't really need to use that much product. You know, I do saturate the towel quite a bit. You know, it's really easy to use. I would say you're getting at least a year of protection on there, more than if you just do a regular polish and bring them all the way back. This is definitely has a good longevity. Another option to for your headlight restorations. Now I'm just going around it, cleaning the excess product. Gonna kind of hit that a little bit, but hey, this is how you get it done fast, and get good product or a good ending. I'm gonna pan over to the other light, and you can check that out. But sweet. Well, thank you guys for watching. Like, follow, subscribe. Appreciate it. If you guys want to know anything else about anything car related, paint related, leave a comment. Thank you. All right, guys. I would say this is probably the best DIY headlight restoration without having to spray them and get the professional results. This is probably gonna get you as close as you can to perfection with the longevity and not having to polish them out. I feel like this is a better option than even polishing. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, share. If you guys want to know anything else, please leave a comment. Thanks.